Customer Portal. Acumatica provides a web portal so your customers can access current billing, support, and account information. In this video, I will demonstrate how to provide customers with access to an existing portal. To begin, I open a customer record and navigate to the Contacts tab. Within a contact, I navigate to the User Info tab to manage access to the portal. To grant access, I enter a user type that defines the default security permissions for this user. Next, I assign a unique username and password. When I save the changes, the user account is created and activated. A notification email is automatically sent to the user with login information. Using the newly generated credentials, I log into the customer portal using any internet browser. The welcome screen contains information that can be customized using the Acumatica wiki. The portal allows me to view a list of past invoices and statements. I can download the details, print them to a local printer, or save them as a PDF file. In the support area, I can create a new support ticket and view the status of past tickets. This information is logged and becomes immediately available for assignment to support personnel. I can also update my account information without contacting customer service. Within the documentation section, I can review documents that have been made available to me. The Acumatica Customer Portal helps you reduce support costs while improving customer satisfaction and responsiveness. The portal is included with the purchase of the Acumatica Customer Management Suite. As with all Acumatica software, there are no per-user fees or client software to install and maintain. For more information about Acumatica, visit our website to read documentation and view other videos.